Looking for the best hammer drills to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Dewalt Max XR 20V Cordless Hammer Drill. While some cordless tools are weaker than their corded counterparts, that's not an issue with this powerful cordless hammer drill from Dewalt. While we feel that this professional-level tool, which carries a professional-level price tag, might be too powerful for the casual DIYer or light use around the house, it's well worth the price if you need a beast that doesn't blink at drilling through concrete, brick, stone, wood, metal, or other hard materials. After testing in the lab, we took this drill home and used it at least twice a month for 6 months, and we were grateful to have it on hand. Even during long periods of work, up to 60 minutes each time, the battery never falters while drilling pilot holes into studs, driving with screws, and performing other heavier-duty tasks. It easily pushes through wood, masonry, and metal to create holes up to 1.5 inches in diameter. Even though we accidentally dropped it during a project, causing some scuffs on the housing, the drill itself remained unscathed. Number 2. Black+Decker 6.5 amp corded hammer drill. If you don't need all the bells and whistles or the utmost power, then this reasonably priced corded option from Black+Decker is worth a look. We love this drill for its variable speed trigger with a maximum speed of 2,800 revolutions per minute. Our overall best lacks this feature, so it's great to see it on an inexpensive model like this. Adjusting the settings is straightforward with only a few options, making it easy to understand and modify. This doesn't have the most powerful motor, at 6.5 amps, nor is it designed for heavy-duty continuous use. But if you need a hammer drill for a few projects drilling into masonry, or you want to have a hammer drill on hand for occasional use, then this corded tool should be more than sufficient. The 0.5-inch chuck is keyless, meaning you don't need any tools to swap out bits. Note that the drill does not come with bits, so you will need to purchase those separately. The side handle can be set to 3 different positions for extra control, and at only 4.1 pounds, this shouldn't tire you out too quickly. Black+Decker recommends the drill for holes no larger than 0.5-inch diameter in masonry or steel or 1.5-inch in softwood. Number 3. Makita Cordless 1/2-inch Hammer Driver Drill Kit. Not everyone needs the power of a professional hammer drill, but if you do, then we recommend this heavy-duty cordless tool from Makita. During testing, we were extremely impressed with this hammer drill's performance. It effortlessly bores holes through wood and concrete blocks, and we were glad for the side handle, which helps to keep the drill steady and precise while it amps up the torque. However, we think it has too much oomph for driving small screws, even with the clutch turned down. It easily drives and seats large screws, though, without stripping them or splitting wood. If you need a multi-purpose drill that can drive smaller screws, our best cordless pick has a less aggressive driver setting. The drill comes with two 18-volt, 5-amp batteries. During testing, the battery barely budged from full charge, so I'm confident that you can get the job done without worrying about running out of juice. This drill is compact, making it easier to use in small spaces. There are 2 speed settings, plus either drill only or hammer drill mode. When the hammer function is on, it delivers a serious punch up to 31,500 BPM. It's equipped with all of the features you would expect for a professional hammer drill, including a keyless chuck, rubberized soft grips to reduce the vibration, and an LED work light for precision. You also get a sturdy carrying bag to store and tote the tool, its batteries, and the charger. Number 4. Bosch Bulldog Xtreme SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. Unlike many rotary hammer drills, this one is relatively lightweight at 6.7 pounds, which makes it much easier to use for lengthy drilling sessions or drilling overhead. This is a corded tool with an 8-amp motor and 3 modes of use: drill only for drilling into wood or steel, hammer drill for drilling into concrete or masonry, and hammer only for chipping or scoring concrete and other masonry. When using the tool in the hammer only mode, you can adjust the bit through 36 positions to get just the right angle for your task. Plus, its D-shaped handle and additional forward handle give you excellent control when working in awkward positions. The drill has variable speed control with a maximum speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute and a maximum impact of 5,800 BPM with the hammer mode on. Like other rotary hammer drills, it has a slotted drive system, SDS, chuck that can only accept SDS or SDS-Plus bits. Should the bit become bound, The tool will automatically disengage to prevent injury to your wrist. However, it does not have any specific anti-vibration system to muffle vibrations to your hands and arms. It comes with a sturdy carrying case.